I did have a dance poi studio in San Francisco, and they forced me to close it for the pandemic. So very different reality than your Florida. And then I moved to an internet-based model. So I am running a virtual dance studio now, is how I see it. So, and then the reason I moved to the model of giving away the content that I'm giving away is because that's not what I'm selling. What I'm selling is the feedback. I'm not selling the how-to. But people don't know what I do, and so rather than paying for marketing, it was easier for me to develop a catalog that I can use with my clients, right? Because your learning time is dramatically decreased by not having to go through a lesson that you can view in the video with me. You can view it in the video, and then you can come into class at the point where you're stuck, and it's more efficient for you. It helps me have a bigger, broader catalog. It's excellent marketing, and at its core, I feel like I'm a 55-year-old woman. My legacy in life is going to be what I have done with my poi school, which nobody else in the world has actually done. And best as I can tell, even close. And it would be tragic if I died with this knowledge not being out there for people. So I wanted to really change people's lives and make it affordable for people who can't afford lessons too, So I'm passionate about it. I love it so much. I see your passion. You have the same sort of love for it that I do. So it's great.